A long time ago, a strong wind knocked down a big tree in a village. The tree was too heavy for anyone to move. The villagers tried and tried. A kind old man named Akira saw the problem. He decided to help. Every day, he went to the tree and carved his name into the trunk, a little bit at a time. The villagers thought Akira was wasting his time, but he didn't give up. He kept carving his name day after day. Slowly but surely, the tree started to move. It was like the tree was waking up from a long sleep. Finally, the tree was lifted out of the way, and the road was clear again. The villagers cheered and thanked Akira. He showed them that even when things seem impossible, we can make a difference if we work hard and don't give up.